recap from last lesson, workplace. Hello, my name is Eleanor. I'm the BSL tutor for the Level 2 course that will be run every Thursday 7 till 9. There's 4 themes. The first is everyday conversation. There is then 3 other themes that are done throughout the course period as well. The benefits of the course is at the end of the course you'll have a Level 2 qualification in BSL and you'll be able to communicate with everyday conversations with deaf people in the deaf culture.
I'm Kerry, I work at Seven Road Adult Centre. We have a lot of learners coming to the centre that are actually deaf and not able to communicate with them. It puts them at a disadvantage. A taster session came up, I did it, really enjoyed it, and it's fun as well. And being able to interact with those learners when, just passing through the hall, just saying hello, how are you, how's the day been, how's their course going, it just brightens their day. You can see the difference because somebody's made an effort with them. Eleanor's a great teacher. I would encourage anybody to sign up if they're interested in learning.